this is the portable AC COSTWAY. I got in 2022 April. So it worked last year. I used it last year and not really like in 2022. So it's just, you know, connect to the window here. Oh, the connection is good, and it's in excellent mint condition, and the cover is still on it. So turn it on. Remote. So right now I tried a few times, and last night I turned it on for 2 hours. Same thing, it doesn't give the cool air here. It doesn't give the, it's just a temperature, room temperature air like a fan. And also, I tried here as well. It doesn't, not the hot air, it's just the regular temperature air output from here. So I don't feel the vibration, so that means the compressor may not be working. And yeah, I tried it for so many times. Same thing.
Well, as you can see, the installation is almost finishing. I bought some foam to seal it around, and it's okay. It will be fixed. Then I can use it.